Hello, welcome. Question number 5A of 2022 BECE. We are to factorize into bracket x minus y, bracket close, another bracket open, m plus n, bracket close, minus x minus y in a bracket, then m minus 2n in another bracket. Factorization is looking out for a common factor, picking those common factors outside the bracket and put the other quotient term that can be used to multiply the term outside. So what do? We are seeing that this is just a multiplying b, so ab. This is also a multiplying c. I am using c because a and a are the same. So this is a times b minus a, the same number, times c, because this and this are not the same. So now if I am to factorize ab minus ac, what do? We look for a common factor. A and a is common. So it will be a into bracket b minus c, bracket close. So we are done. This is the factorization. So now in place of a, I'll be putting in the y, x minus y. In place of b, m plus n minus into bracket, these are two terms, so m minus 2n. Then we see if there will be any simplification. We will simplify. Okay, so now our common factor which we know is m, x minus y in this bracket is the factor multiplying the quotient. So this term divided by the common factor will leave you only m plus n. Then minus the whole of this term divided by the common factor will leave us m minus 2n, just like we have the a, b, and c. So now the bracket, we can open the bracket to have x minus y in this bracket, m plus n if the bracket is gone, minus 1 times m minus m, minus 1 times negative 2n plus 2n. M minus m will give us 0. N plus 2n will give you 3. So we're going to have x minus y multiplying 3n, which we can read as what? 3n into bracket x minus y. So just the factorization following the term that this is one term, one term, one term, one term, but they are multiplying. So we look out for a common factor. We might come back to this very point. We can still expand it, expand the two together, and cancel out the common terms. You will still come back to where we are. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.